What's up you guys, it's Preetham here. Hi, if you're new to this channel, I'm a professional cook based in the USA, currently working at a healthcare. So after COVID-19, we are having a major drawback and a lots of problem as a hospitality worker because the hospitality industry got hit hard by the pandemic all over the world. एंड अगर आप culinary स्टूडेंट हो और मेरे तरह किचन में काम कर रहे हो राइट नाउ, तो एक बात जान लो कि culinary का सिस्टम चेंज हो रहा है. Cooking is not just cooking anymore, but it's beyond that in a way that I've never imagined. So now more than ever, culinary school graduates can enhance their value by developing a fundamental business skill in addition to eye and the taste for good and creative cuisine. So after culinary graduates or hospitality graduates have a potentiality to offer more value to their employers because they bring a wide variety of skills and beyond in the kitchen, including financial management, customer management, business operations, and many more. So meanwhile, people without a formal culinary education, like only having an experience in a single aspect of the food service industry, but there's a lot of stuff there is beyond that. Potentially they're limiting their career options. So what are the specific skills that culinary graduates need in the post COVID-19 marketplace? Let's dive in and find out. And before we start, don't forget to hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It makes a huge difference when you smash that like button. It's completely free to do so. Thank you so much. So number one is financial management. The restaurant and the hospitality industry has suffered from the economic shutdowns. Although the restaurant job will probably, in my thinking, it will return soon. Food service businesses will be paying a close attention to their finances, especially a lower margin operations. So that is why financial management skills are critical. So Leslie Ferrier, Vice President of HR at the Momofuku Restaurant Group, which is in New York, explains that all of your creativity goes out of the window if you don't know how to run the restaurant as a business. Business accounting skills, monitoring transaction, paying attention to your operating cost, and like those things are required to run a profitable restaurant. Aspiring chefs should be aware of new regulations and be ready to make appropriate investment. Actually, that is a very good suggestion to me because I want to be a chef. That makes me an aspiring chef. Okay, so chefs with a balance of both culinary and business skills can contribute to maximizing profit as they create a great dining experience and separating themselves from the pack in the eyes of the employers. For example, in a down economy, suppose like this, a restaurant consumer desire more affordable options and faster service. For like an online ordering system can give the patrons more convenience and a quicker turnaround. And with that said, don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't done that already for YouTube algorithm. So visionary thinking. The advantages with the strategic and visionary thinking empowers to all the employee at the all levels of the function, so they're continuously scanning for new ways to contribute to the organizational success. In that case, suppose if you are self-employed or a business owner, a keen understanding of the big picture is another important skill set that culinary school graduate or hospitality school graduates can bring on the table. Restaurants may have radically shifted their traditional models of on-premise eating to become a little leaner, and those that execute the right changes the quickest will thrive faster. There are no shortage of strategic decisions like these need to be made. Like, should we invest in a contactless payment? How can you do that? And how do we better operate our online delivery? Do we rethink our brand these days? These challenges requires the visionary individuals with the culinary skills or hospitality skills, and employers will look to hire people, those who are strong in both of them. On the next one is customer relationship management skill. Customer relationship managers, sometimes referred to as client relationship managers. They need a strong empathetic and interpersonal skills and an awareness of each customer wants and the needs. They must stand ready to implement the programs and practices focusing on these demands. Relationship building and networking are vital skills, not only bringing a new business and the clients, but to strengthen their customer base that they already have in their hands. Regardless of whether you are a restaurant business owner or executive chef or any other culinary personnel or professional, these soft skills are the key for the quality customer service. This is one of the best ways the restaurant or any hotel can make a name for themselves for the competition. Employers will likely value the hospitality graduates who understand how to develop the ideas for customer engagement and loyalty and respond to their involving dining and safety to the after COVID world. And lastly, the restaurant operations management. So operation management touches everything critical to the restaurant, from running it smoothly, from how you do your scheduling, your staff, to properly manage your inventory. Successful companies in any industry nowadays are always innovating. And lastly, the restaurant operation management. So the operation management touches everything critical to the restaurant running smoothly, from how you schedule your staff to properly managing your inventory. So the successful companies in any industry nowadays are always innovating, and it is what it takes to be great, like while it takes time to the resource to the front end to improve your restaurant operation, every efficiency you can add to your operations that will boost your profitability. Taking the time to step back and make an entire system more efficient is well worth the investment. Restaurant and this restaurant that come out of the lockdowns will look to be more efficient in a economized cost where they can. Graduates will be probably expected to create a great food and to make a great culture, and back on the house also have a strong awareness of how operation interlink with the front of the house. Better run operations mean that restaurant or hotel can serve more consumers and do it faster ways, both of which will drive profit. The takeaway from this video today that these are uncertain times and fast changing times. Students in culinary and hospitality institution need to adapt, deliver and well-rounded education to cover the essential business skill. Food service is a competitive industry, by the way, and if you want to enter in this incredible world of culinary or hospitality careers, you will want to give yourself a leg up for your career. Research indicates that the majority of this employee prefers managers with a culinary or pastries or hospitality certification and value their technical skill that culinary school provides. And that's for today. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'll post there like often, and see you next time.